So I'm just making a quick video because I'm running the wires to a dash cam that I have, the black view for the rear. But running the wire through the back over here, I found out that you could remove this piece for you to install the remote start. Now I know there's a video on YouTube where the guy takes everything off back here, but it doesn't look like you need to do all that. His video was pretty long and he said that it took like 15-16 hours, but really all you need to do is just loosen the weather strip over here on the side, both sides, here and there. And then you just want to loosen the panels, the plastic pieces right here. Loosen this. Once you get these two loosened and like halfway off, they're able to pull down on this. And you want to do the same thing on this side. Loosen both of these so that you're able to pull down on this. And as you can see, it's only some plastic pieces holding it up, some plastic clips. Just pull down on it gently. And you can disconnect the light so you can just have it off completely. And you're gonna want to disconnect or take off these tabs so that you're able to screw the bracket holding up the remote start module back here. You can't do it on this side, you have to do it from the back side. So you want to take off these plastic tabs so you can lower the headliner back here, and then you'll be able to screw on the mounting bracket on the other side, mount the module, and then the wire for the module should be back here as well. So once you drop the headliner, you'll see the wire already, and you just gotta mount again the mounting bracket for the module itself, and then connect the wire, and you're good to go. And it's literally like 10 minutes for you to take this off. Just be careful to not break anything, but 10-15 minutes, you'll be done.